Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. My name's Tony. I own Homeowner up here. So in my house, I've got a switch in back of me. The problem with the switch is that the switches themselves are like an off-white. The faceplate is white, and kind of looks like crap. So I was going to change out the switches to white switches, and I found this pretty cool switch plate cover that'll change the look of those off-white switches, and it'll make them like white like this, so that everything's white. And it's a pretty easy way to change, those switch colors so that everything is white and it matches, and it may look better in your room. Sometimes you'll have a house with some black switches or some off-white switches or a different color, and it just doesn't look good anymore. And let's face it, not everybody's an electrician, so here's an easy way to upgrade the switches so that everything matches and looks good. But before I roll into this and get it installed, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It'll help me out a ton. If you like the channel, subscribe to the channel. When you do, ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you'll get a notification when I upload a new video. And if you have a question, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Now let's tear into this. So here's what the packaging looked like for the switch cover. And it did come with 4 screws in it. Here's what the switch plate looks like. So right now, I'm going to remove the old faceplate. Put the switches in the same direction. So this is pretty easy to do. You should have 4 flathead screws on the old faceplate. You should be able to get them up pretty easily. So this is a pretty cool product. You don't have to wire anything, so you don't have to worry about that. If you're not sure how to wire a switch, you don't have to call an electrician. It'll save you money. This plate that I bought, it was like a little over $2. It was really inexpensive. And it's a fast, easy way to update the look of these switches. These are really old. I'll probably end up replacing them anyway at some point because they're that old. But this is a pretty cool product. This is what the channel is about. I like to show you guys, products that you might not have thought about to get yourself like out of a jam or whatever, and kind of accomplish what you're trying to do. So put the switches in the same direction. Make sure that they fit into these switches, the toggles right here. They can move them up and down. And then make sure you line up the holes in the switches themselves. So catch them by hand. So I caught that one. And you don't want to crank down on them. You want to just snug them up enough. But leave it a little loose so you can adjust the faceplate a little if you need to. Catch that one. And go to the top right here. Get that one caught. Make sure it catches easy. You don't want to cross thread it. It should easily start to catch. If it's fighting you a little bit, back out on the screw. Like I said, don't tighten them. And I've got 2 more. Let's put one down here. So it'll only take you like a couple of minutes to do this, and it'll totally update those switches for you. They make a cover like this for the outlets too. I have a video on the outlet cover. It does the same thing. It changes like the color of the outlet. So if you have like a black outlet or an off-white one, you can change it like to white so everything matches. And then there you go. Push them up and down. If it's a little sticky, back off on the screw a little bit. You might have the screws in too tight. Then kind of adjust it a little that way. That's all there really is to it. So I hope you liked the video. It's a quick, simple, easy fix for you. I just wanted to make you aware about the product if you weren't aware of it already, and kind of how to get yourself out of a jam if you're trying to update the look of your switches. So if you have any questions, leave us a comment. I will reply back to you. Like the video, give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell when you do, and hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.